Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Alright, starting with my first project from Dollar Tree, I will be using this wood wall decor ribbon, and from Walmart I will be using the boxwood greenery and this paint stir stick. I'm going to start by cutting the paint stir stick to the size of this wall decor. I'm only cutting one piece, and that piece is going to go on one side, covering the little holes. Now for the other side, I'm going to use the string that came with it and the little hook, so this can be the hanger. I mean, not the hook, the little ring. Now for the greenery, I'm going to cut all the stems off, and then I'm going to tie them together using the same string. I will be gluing this using hot glue. You can staple it if you want, but I decided to just hot glue this. Then using the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon, I'm going to make a bow and add it there where you can see the string. And that is it for this beautiful wall decor piece. For my next project, I will be using 2 of these Dollar Tree wood planks, and I was going to use this garland greenery that I got from Dollar Tree, but I ended up not using it, and the leftover paint stir sticks. With the sticks, I will be making an X, so I'm going to just cut these to size. And I'm going to paint the wood planks using a mixture of the apple barrel acrylic paint in burnt umber and black. I'm going to add a little bit of water so it can give like the stain effect. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to glue the X. Now before I glue them, I was going to overlap the 2 sticks, but I didn't like how that looked, so before I glued them, I just cut like the little centerpiece off, and then I glued the wood planks first. I only use hot glue since I'm not adding anything heavy. You can add, like, for extra support, popsicle sticks on the back. I just chose not to. Now I will be gluing the X. Like I said, I'm gluing the longer piece first and then the other 2 little ones. Now with this garland, I was planning to make a wreath. I got this garland from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't like how the wreath turned out. So instead, I just used some of the wreath that I already had. But to hang the wreath, I did add this little hook that I had. I got it from Walmart. And this is how it looks. Look how cute this is. Now I did only make one, but you can always make two of them and make like a little pair or a set of two. But look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree plastic plate. Now I got this in a pack of 4. With the leftover paint stir sticks, I will be making like a little house. Gluing it in the center. Using the Dollar Tree buffalo check ribbon, I will be adding a stripe on the little house. Then using the same ribbon, I will be making a bow and adding it to the corner. To decorate this a little more, I cut off a piece of that garland and add it on the house. I used my Cricut to cut out the word home, and I just added like at the bottom of the plate going like curvy. And because I didn't cut this curvy, I did have to cut this and add each word individually. After I was finished adding the letters, I felt like it looked too plain, so I did end up adding some more greenery beside the house. But that is it. Look how beautiful and cute this turned out. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.